Hi, today's story is Like the Moon Loves the Sky, written by Hina Khan and illustrated by Safa Khan. Inshaallah, you are all that is gentle and good. Inshaallah, you feel safe, like all children should. Inshaallah, you are kind to those most in need. Inshaallah, you seek knowledge, reflect, and read. Inshaallah, you stand strong, like a tree with firm roots. Inshaallah, you plant gardens filled with sweet fruits. Inshaallah, you have faith that won't waver or bend. Inshaallah, you reach out to make a new friend. Inshaallah, you are thoughtful of plans that you make. Inshaallah, you speak truth and work for its sake. Inshaallah, you travel to thrilling new places. Inshaallah, you count all your blessings and graces. Inshaallah, you find wonder in birds as they fly. Inshaallah, you are love, like the moon loves the sky. That is the end of the story. Hope you enjoy the video.